everybody, welcome to episode number 8 of My Parents' House. This is going to be a really short episode. We're going to be painting the fascia boards on the actual addition, and we're going to also be painting underneath the eaves. And the reason why we're doing this today is because the roofers are going to be coming in later in the week. And usually what they do is before they put the shingle on top of the roof and the tar paper or whatever, what they do is they put flashing along the edges. And it's nice to have the fascia and everything painted before they put the flashing on. So as I mentioned, later in the week, they're going to be putting the shingles on the top of the roof, and then we're also going to be wrapping the structure in Tyvek, and then we're also going to be putting the foam on the outside. So let's get to work. So Joe is doing some masking. How you doing, Joe?
Good.
You having a good day?
Yeah, nice, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty hot today, huh?
Yeah, it's hot.
It's going to be a hot day.
Hot day.
By the way, everybody, it's supposed to be 113 today, and it's kind of early in the morning. It's about 7:30, quarter to 8, and that's why we're starting early. And Joe is here masking everything because he's going to be starting to paint. So he's already masked this front dining room window, and he's going to probably shoot over above the window here. And then he's also going to be doing all the fascia boards all the way around the house. So now Joe's going to prime his painting machine here. He's priming the pump. So Joe's already got his paint gun primed, and now he's starting to shoot the fascia on the side of the house. I'll get you a little closer shot here so you can see what's going on. What's up, Joe?
Yeah, I put some coat for paint, yeah. How are you? Yeah, good.
I'm good, Joe. How are you?
Good, yeah.
How's that paint going on there, Joe? So Joe is doing the painting, and Joe just informed me that since the wood is raw, tell us why and how many coats we're going to need.
It's because the new wood is too, when you put one first coat, it's too dry. It's need to cook.
Yeah, because it absorbs the paint really fast, right?
Yeah.
So you need to put 2 coats in order for it to have good protection.
Yeah, for good protection for the rain and sun, and we put that paint and primer same.
At the same time?
Same time, yeah.
Okay, I'll let you get back to work.
Okay.
So now Joe is just painting the fascias right now. Now Joe is applying a second coat because the first coat already dried. As we explained, because the wood is so raw and it's so dry, it absorbs the paint really, really fast. Okay, so now Joe is going to flush the lines because he's going to be using a different colored paint. So we're going to watch how Joe does this. Joe, did you already flush the line with water?
Yeah.
Have you already flushed the line with water so it's all clear? So now what you're doing is you're just putting the paint in, huh? Okay. Ready?
Yeah, ready. Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Look.
Okay. He's good to go.
Yeah.
So now he's doing under the eaves, as you can see. Joe does a very meticulous job. I've worked with Joe in the past. He's a really good guy to work with. He'll talk to you. He'll tell you what he's doing and how he's doing it. He's done 2 of my other friends' homes also. Because it's so hot today, Joe is having a hard time with his gun clogging. So he keeps having to unclog the gun by running more water through it and getting the gun to unclog. It's probably about 105 degrees right now out here. and that's why the paint is congealing so quick.
Good.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm thinking. Thinking.
So now Joe is going to finish the last bit of painting he has to do, just above the window here. So he's going to go spray it. Not bad on a match. It's been 8 years since this house is painted, and he did a great job on matching the color. Look at that. Well, Joe is finished for the day, so he's cleaning his paint machine now. He's going to clean the tip, and he's going to clean out the rest of the machine so he doesn't have any residual paint. If you leave residual paint in the machine, what happens is it gets clogged, and then it costs a lot of money to rebuild it. Well, another episode of My Parents' House comes to a close. Today it was a horrendous 114 degrees, but Joe was able to get everything done in enough time to be able to get out of here before it really got brutal. So Joe was able to paint all the fascia, and he also did underneath the eaves. And next time, in our next episode, we're going to have the roofers come out, and they're going to start roofing the actual addition. And then after that, we will probably end up getting the guys putting the Tyvek on, and then they'll be putting on the foam. Now, the reason why this has taken so long and why we have so much time between episodes is because we have to wait for the inspectors from the county to come out and make sure that everything is okay, and that's the thing that's taking the most time. So needless to say, it's taking us a longer time on this project. So until next time, I'm Jeff with My Parents' House, saying please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.